Now, on Thursday afternoon, one of our CNN teams in Gaza heard an explosion, believing that explosion to be a so-called knock on the roof. That's Israel warning of an imminent strike. The team started recording. Carl Penhall shows us the tragic aftermath. Children, once again, the victims of this conflict.
Alerted by an initial smaller explosion, CNN cameras began rolling. A few minutes later, this. Children, once again, the victims of an Israeli airstrike. The Israeli military says it's investigating.
As you can see, it is absolute pandemonium in here now. Tensions and tempers are running very high.
Outside a Gaza morgue, a mother learns she must bury her children before their time. Bloodied feet and tiny hands. 8-year-old Afnan Shahaiba, her brother Wissam, 6, and their cousin Jihad, 8.
I feel so sad because these children as my children. So I hope Israeli attack, go back and finish this war.
Their uncle said they'd been feeding ducks on the roof of their home. He explained they died in the first explosion just before CNN cameras began recording. He believes an Israeli drone fired the missile. CNN teams heard Israeli drones over the area throughout the afternoon. They heard no fighter jets immediately before the strike. Mourners must literally run to bury the children before dusk, according to Islamic ritual.
The men have just run about 500 yards through the neighbourhood with the bodies of the dead children. They've now gone into the mosque for a final blessing.
As day fades fast, they head for the cemetery. The tears of a father over his dead son. And then to Afnan, the little girl whose name means beautiful meadow, time to say goodbye. Carl Penhall, CNN, Gaza.